Hi friends, this is Omkar Yadav and welcome to my channel Aryavarta. In this video, I am going to tell you what happened when Krishna went to Hastinapur and pleads with Dhritarashtra to avoid war. Also, which kingdoms allied with Kauravas and Pandavas in the war. So, let's start. As a last attempt of peace, Krishna was called for in Rajadharma. Krishna, the chieftain of the Yadavas, lord of the kingdom of Dwaraka, travelled to the kingdom of Hastinapur to persuade the Kauravas to see reason, avoid bloodshed of their kin, and to embark upon a peaceful path with him as the divine ambassador of the Pandavas. Duryodhana was insulted that Krishna had turned down his invitation to accommodate himself in the royal palace. Determined to stop and hinder the peace mission and adamant of going to war with the Pandavas, Duryodhana plotted to arrest Krishna and insulted, humiliated, and defamed him in front of the entire royal court of Hastinapura as a challenge to the prestige of the Pandavas and declaration of an act of open war. At the formal presentation of the peace proposal by Krishna in the Kuru Mahasabha at the court of Hastinapur, Krishna asked Duryodhana to return Indraprastha to the Pandavas and restore the status quo, or if not, give over at least 5 villages, one for each of the Pandavas. Duryodhana said he could not give land even as much as the tip of a needle to the Pandavas. Krishna's peace proposals were ignored and dismissed. The Duryodhana publicly ordered his soldiers, even after the warnings from all elders, to arrest Krishna. Krishna laughed and displayed his divine form, radiating intense light. Lord Krishna cursed Duryodhana that his downfall was certain at the lamps of the one who was sworn to tear off his thigh. To the shock of the blind king, who tried to pacify the Lord with words as calm as he could find. His peace mission utterly insulted by Duryodhana, Krishna returned to the Pandava camp at Upaplavya to inform the Pandavas that the only course left to uphold the principles of virtues and righteousness was inevitable war. During his return, Krishna met Karna, Kunti's firstborn before Yudhishthira, and requested him to help his brothers and fight on the side of Dharma. However, being helped by Duryodhana, Karna said to Krishna that he would battle against Pandavas as he had a debt to pay. While camping at Upaplavya in the territory of the Virata, the Pandavas gathered their armies. Contingents arrived from all parts of the country, and soon the Pandavas had a large force of 7 divisions. The Kauravas managed to raise an even larger army of 11 divisions. Many kingdoms of ancient India such as Dwaraka, Kasi, Magadha, Chedi, Matsya, Pandya and the Yadus of Mathura were allied with the Pandavas, while allies of the Kauravas comprised the kings of Pragjyotisha, Kalinga, Anga, Kekaya, Sindhu Desa, Avanti in Madhya Desa, Gandharas, Balikas, Mahishmati, Kambojas with the Yavanas, Sakas, Trilinga, Tusharas and many others. So friends, if you found this video was really interesting, don't forget to like it, and for more historical videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.